Determine if events A and B are independent. Here I have that the probability of A is 1/2, the probability of B is 2/5, and the probability of A and B is 1/5. Sometimes the probability of A and B is written with a symbol that looks like an upside down U. So if you are working with this, that just means probability of A and B. So to determine if the events A and B are independent, we have to make sure that the probability of A times the probability of B equals the probability of A and B. So we can set this up by replacing the probability of A for 1/2. We can replace the probability of B for 2/5. And we just have to make sure that if I multiply those two quantities, I'm going to get the value of 1/5. If it does not, then the events are not independent. Now here, whenever you multiply two fractions, it's basically one big division problem, and I can write this as a single fraction, 1 times 2 over 2 times 5. And whenever you see the same quantity on the numerator and on the denominator, you can cancel those quantities out. So here, the 2's are going to cancel out, leaving me with a 1/5. And 1/5 equals 1/5, so I can determine that event A and event B are independent. Let's look at another similar example. Here I have that the probability of A is 1/4, the probability of B is 4/5, and the probability of A and B is 2/5. So we're going to verify if the probability of A times the probability of B equals the probability of A and B. So I'm going to go ahead and substitute everything. Probability of A, again, that's 1/4. We're going to multiply that with the probability of B, which is 4/5. And we're trying to see if that's going to equal the probability of A and B, which is 2/5. Since I'm multiplying two fractions, I can rewrite this as a single fraction, 1 times 4 divided by 4 times 5. And now I'm going to cancel out the same quantity that I see on the numerator and the denominator in here. I have a 4 on top and bottom, so those are going to cancel out. And this is going to leave me with a 1/5. Now 1/5 does not equal 2/5, so the events are not independent.